All thanks to CapCut, we now have an app that can basically do everything for free. Every paid feature in Facetune, we can basically do it for free in Hypic. So I'm just starting with Facetune to show you. Oh, sorry, I can't even video screen on. I can't video screen for free on Facetune. So let's go to our Hypic. So in this app, you can do everything that you can do in Facetune. Every paid feature in Facetune is basically free in Hypic. The paint, which represents brushing here, is free. Everything is free. You don't have to pay for you don't have to pay for anything. So for us makeup artists, for us poor makeup artists that can't afford Facetune features, this app is for you. It's a must download. It's my go app for now. It's my go app for now. Nothing else you're gonna tell me. This is my best app for now. It's app that was introduced by the same owner of CapCut. So CapCut, you all know that CapCut only edits videos. So this app edits photos only, and it's for free. The smoothing is for free. You can smooth anyhow you want. Can even reduce wrinkles, reduce pores. You see, I'm even highlighting my under eyes using brush. Can even darken your hair using brush. So I'm just showing you samples. It's not that I'm editing the pictures, I'm just showing you what Hypic can do. On my next video, I'm going to show a video on how to edit using Hypic app. So this video is just a sample. Look at, I'm darkening my hair. I'm darkening the hair. Can do anything. The lashes, I'm darkening it. So please guys, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like and comment if you are interested in tutorial of how to edit using the Hypic app. This is an app for all makeup artists. You should have this app on your phone. Like if you are a makeup artist, you should have this app on your phone. It's a must have. I'm talking about for us poor makeup artists. For the rich ones though, you don't have anything to do on Hypic. So for us poor makeup artists, this app is for us. You see how I brighten the eyes using a brush. So this brush represents paint in Facetune. So you can use it to adjust your highlights, your contours, your whatever that your phone camera reduced. You can use this brush to highlight them, to bring it out. Look at our exposures, not just sharpen anything. So do have in mind that this is not me editing this picture. This is me showing you what Hypic can do. Okay, so leave your comments, subscribe, like, and wait, I'm gonna show you a few tutorial on how to edit using the Hypic app. Please guys, stay tuned. Thank you. Bye.